Well, the situation that still remains very grim as we speak of the state of Assam, and especially in Shivsagar, that seems to be the worst affected districts. In northern village, we are looking at rising flood waters that have entered homes and have submerged roads, disrupting normal life. According to the latest official figures, 6 districts that have been affected, with over 630 villages having been inundated, with nearly 4.45 lakh people who have been impacted. More than 37,000 hectares of crop area that has also been damaged, while no loss of human life that has been reported so far. Residents have been urged to step up when it comes to the relief and rehabilitation efforts that is now being done on part of the authorities as well. Let's connect with Anamika on this. Anamika, on this, I beg your pardon. Anamika, when we are looking at the relief and the rehabilitation measures, if you can take us through them, because the situation there seems to be worsening. However, there has been full deployment of the rescue officials and the rescue teams that have been put on ground.
Well, see, this is the most worst condition which first ever happened in Shivsagar district in Assam, and this is the most worst particular districts where this flood affected area has been disputed in this particular area. And let me tell you that Assam flood situation improves as water level now resides, and almost 6.5 lakhs still affected. And even there are still some places where government is still trying to reach on that particular area. But as of now, there is no particular heavy rainfall. So this is a relief now. And relief camps are also been set, medical camps, and almost the flood reliefs are being set for the particular areas people. And the Charaido area, this is the most affected area also, and then 1.3 lakhs people into in Jorhat, that particular area also affected. And not only the person but also the livestock also been affected, and many crops area also been affected. And even there's a very emotional pictures we have gone through when we are into the ground, that there are many particular students have seen,
we've seen
that
the pictures that have been coming in from the residents as well, because they are urging the authorities to step up the relief and the rehabilitation. Many of them who have been displaced, villages that we are now looking at as far as their homes are concerned, that have been inundated because of the flood waters. Anamika, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. We're going to head into a very short break.